We found it, an ultimate Frisbee player. This male specimen picks up a Frisbee every Monday and Thursday after school. What's this? He's trying to make it to the end zone. Bro just spawned in his own team. What's gonna happen next? Find out by joining Ultimate Frisbee Club.
I'm Ruby Allen.
And I'm Jaden Gwentren.
And welcome back to Ridge Weekly. After school, we have our homecoming football game at 7 at the PSD Stadium. Go SaberCats!
Tomorrow at 6:30, the varsity soccer match will have food trucks. Be sure to find leadership there and they'll give you a voucher for free food, but it's first come, first serve.
Thank you all for participating in the Spirit Weekdays and showing your school spirit. Don't forget, tomorrow is Student-Teacher Swap Day.
Saturday is the homecoming dance from 7 to 10 p.m. It's $20 on school pay and $25 at the door.
Like last year, you can bring a guest if they are in 9th grade or above and under 21 years old. Make sure they bring a photo ID.
Be sure to show your Ridge values at the dance.
Next Tuesday, there will be a choir concert at 6:30. Come support our SaberCats. Alright folks, I think that's going to be it for this week. See you next time on Ridge Weekly.
Breaking news! We now cut to a live feed of the football fields.
I am unsure of what we just have witnessed.
Oh no, Fossil. Fang has reportedly gone missing. SaberCats, let's come together to find and bring him back.
You may be wondering why I took your mascot, such an iconic symbol of school spirit. The reason is simple. I've watched the spirit of Fossil Ridge grow in each and every student. I see how you all take pride in being a SaberCat. You all have school spirit, and I want that too. I took your mascot so I can have all that school spirit to myself. I'm taking Fang to the Enchanted Ridge where he'll be with me from now on. Don't worry, I'll take good care of him.